under this huge dome. And then the falls come down right off of it. And I'm all the way on the other side right now. Big, huge trees. The sun's shining. Everything's wet and damp. The trees are all covered in moss. Really cool. So much water and it's so loud. This is the big dome that it's under. It's a big carved out piece. And you can just watch it from right behind the falls. And the trees are all covered in moss. It looks so cool. Looks like Fern Gully. I'm all the way on the other side, and that's the side where you first walk to. This isn't really a trail. And then I'm going to walk all the way back underneath. But it just comes right out of that little hole. It's so cool. Where I'm walking, everything's just dripping. And you can see it's just hollowed out. You can actually feel the vibration. It feels like it's just gonna let go and just crush you. Really cool. Other people. You can see how far under the falls we are.